Hey everybody, it's Dave. It's been a very long time since I posted any kind of project update for anything. Been busy with life and business, etc. But tonight I have started anew on some projects. After downloading a couple of different tools and stuff, I decided I wanted to make an online action RPG, of course. So what I did to begin, instead of pulling up my old code bases, which are quite extensive, I figured I'd start from scratch and look at my old code bases for anything useful kind of later on. So what I did was I downloaded Shiva and I took the multiplayer project, which it comes with Shiva and it lets you connect to a server. In this case, I'm connecting to my own server. And you can connect with other people. It provides a basic chat interface and a server connection. I took that project and exported it, and I also grabbed this object show view project, which is a neat little, very smooth camera project. It gives you great zoom in, zoom out, rotate around a target. This is pan, and I think this is a reset. And I also grabbed some touch management project or tutorials from the Shiva website. Shiva's made by stonetrip.com, and that's where I kind of go to hit the forums and stuff like that. So I set those together inside a project and added so here are the AIs that I borrowed from the other projects to begin with, and I added this one from the tutorial site. I created a basic scene, which is a meadow. I took this meadow out of a game called Monster Meadow that I was working on. It's just a basic, nice little grass texture, mottled green. And for reference, I put in a few little crystal objects. And let's see, this is just a plane, as you can see, which means a flat, square, flat surface. And it's covered with navigation dots. These navigation dots let you if you click on an area, it'll pick a navigation and use that for pathfinding, so it can work its way around objects, etc. Let's see. So after I did all that, I used the Shiva authoring tool to export the project. I wanted to make a Windows project, and I also made previously an internet project so that I could export it and use it in a web browser. And I made the Windows 800 by 400 just so that I can get several up at the screen on the screen at one time. So what I'm going to do for you now is just show you real quickly the results of just a few hours worth of work. I'm going to start up 4 of these windows. 1, 2, 3, and number 4. And I'll close down the Shiva window for good luck. Okay, so this one will be tester A. We'll go tester B. We'll use tester C. The basic objective, by the way, for my initial effort, for my initial round of coding work here, is basically to allow myself to connect to a server, see other players, and run around. That's going to give me a great platform that I can use to then do actions, whether they be, combat actions or social actions or whatever. So the result is that I can connect to a server, and here I am, I can run around. Let's see, I can use my mouse to sort of wiggle around here, and I can zoom in and zoom out, and just let everybody connect. You can see that when I click to change my location in one window, it changes in the other windows as well. Now these guys come with Shiva, this little square guy. He's not my own avatar. I'll be putting in my own artwork soon, or avatar artwork that I've purchased myself. But you can see here that the multiplayer and the network coding is working just sort of right out of the box, and this is going to give me a great platform to build a game off of. You can imagine me running over here, selecting this guy and attacking him or something like that. So stay tuned. This is just my first update video from the first day back with Shiva, and I can't wait to get to more.